Hello, good day friends, welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you guys another quantitative platform that you can actually earn from. Now the reason for me showing you guys this live trading account is for you to see that I'm going to make a live withdrawal and so that you can take note of the balance. Now approximately a naira to a dollar right now is around 1630 naira. So on this platform I'll be earning approximately around 25,000 naira on a daily basis. So quickly let me show you guys how to get started on this platform. Now all you just need to do is to click down the link in the description box of this video, or you check the pinned comment and so you register. So once you want to register, you can just input your email, you input a login password, you confirm it, and you make do of a security password, or you can just go with a phone number, register, click here, and then you choose your country code and then you register. So for me, I'm already registered on this platform. All I just need to do is to tap on login, and then I will come here and then input my email. So let me just log in immediately right here before your presence so you can see. So on this platform, like I said, I'm going to be placing a withdrawal of around 15 USDT, which is around approximately in naira around 25,000 naira. So quickly let's get started. So once I log in, you are just going to see they are just going to give me this detail. Now for those of you that have been following up on my channel, you'll discover that I've actually made a video on a platform like this, but I'm creating another different account so I can actually earn on this, so that I can boost my earning. So you can just read this through and then you click on close. Now what I funded on this account is around 100 USDT, and I'm going to be earning an interest rate of 15%. Now for you to recharge here, you're just going to click on recharge, and then you choose any network that you want to recharge with. You can click for USDT TRC20 network. You copy the address and then you recharge, but for me I love to use USDT BET20 network. But before you recharge, you are just going to take note of what you are going to be earning in a day. Now for what you are going to be earning is that, let's tap on this one. If you come to your home page, all you just need to do is to just scroll down. So once you scroll down, what you are doing is that you are staking USDT to earn. So once you scroll down, you are going to see now the first one, for you to unlock, you are going to start with around 15 USDT for minimal unlock, and you'll be earning a 15% interest of that 15 USDT, which is around 2.25 USDT. You understand? So but for me, what I did was that I increased my own earning. I'm going for the first VIP one, and I'm starting with around 100 USDT. So because I already have 100 USDT funded here, all I'm just going to do is to click on unlock. So once I click on unlock, I tap confirm here. You can see what I'm doing right here. So once it's confirmed, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and click on quantify. Quantify is the second icon counting from my left, and the next thing I'm going to do is what? Tap on start quantify. You are going to be doing this thing every day. You understand? Every 24 hours. So every 24 hours you will be earning this interest rate based on how much you started off with. So if you started off with 15 USDT, you come back after 24 hours that you quantify this, you have an earning interest to yourself. So like I said, I've showed you guys how to recharge and how to also log in. So once this actually opens up, it's going to give me 15 USDT as my earning interest, and I'm going to withdraw it instantly. You can see this is 15 USDT, right? So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on the me icon. If I tap on me icon, I tap on withdrawal, and then I choose USDT BET20 network. The next thing I'm going to do is to dive in straight into the wallet that I want to make withdrawal of this, so you guys can actually see. Remember, this is the amount that we have right here, and I'm making use of USDT BET20. I copy the address and I bring it in here. Please make sure you don't make mistake. I advise you strongly that you make use of USDT BET20, because that's actually my most preferred network, and it takes you nothing for you to make do of it when you want to place withdrawal. So let me just withdraw. Now if you want to withdraw, there is a login password, and remember again, there is a security password. So what I do for login, there is the login password differs from the security password. You can see my withdrawal is actually confirmed, right? We will go back to my wallet to confirm once the withdrawal have arrived. So now this is an official disclaimer. This video I'm making, I'm actually showing you guys a detailed step-by-step guide on the different stuff I do on the cryptocurrency space, so I can actually earn. So if you want to make do on platforms as this, please make sure you are making use of funds that you can afford to let go. However, this platform is supposed to last around 30 days, and you should be earning a good return of investment after the first 7 days. So let's go do a good calculation right here. So if I'm earning 15 USDT on a daily basis, right? So let's multiply 15 by 7. Let's see how much we'll be earning. So 15 by 7, if you're watching this video from Nigeria, I'm doing the conversion in naira so you can understand. If you're watching it outside the country, you know the ratio, how you can also convert it to your local currency depending on where you are. So let's say 15 USDT multiplied by 7 is going to give me around, you see, if I multiply 15 USDT by 7, it's going to give me around 105 USDT. And remember, I started off with around 100 USDT. So in the first 7 days, I already have a return of investment. Now if we now move to the next 14 days and 30 days, I'm already earning interest. You understand? So please make sure when you want to jump in on platforms as this, you don't you make use of funds that you can afford to let go. So let's come here back to the wallet so we can actually confirm for ourselves if our withdrawal have actually arrived. So guys, as you can see, our withdrawal is actually confirmed. Remember the balance that we had here earlier on. So let me just tap on this so you can see our withdrawal have actually arrived successfully. We placed a withdrawal of 15 USDT and here it is. So please make sure you like, you comment and you subscribe so you stay connected, and find your way down to my Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comment of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe.